Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to compare EndeavourOS Titan and Pop!OS 24.04 LTS. EndeavourOS Titan is an Arch-based rolling release distribution, which means it always gets the latest kernel, drivers, and software updates as soon as they are released. It is designed for users who want a near-pure Arch experience but with an easier installer and helpful setup tools. Titan includes newer hardware support, updated packages, and a high level of customization, making it powerful for advanced users. The trade-off is that it requires more maintenance, and updates can sometimes introduce issues if not managed carefully. Pop!OS 24.04 LTS is an Ubuntu-based long-term support distribution developed by System76. It focuses on stability, ease of use, and a polished desktop experience. It includes the Cosmic desktop environment, strong hardware support, built-in GPU switching, and encryption options, making it very user-friendly out of the box. Since it is an LTS version, it prioritizes reliability over having the newest software versions. In real-world use, EndeavourOS Titan gives you latest updates, deeper control, and more flexibility, but it requires more Linux knowledge and regular system maintenance. Pop!OS 24.04 LTS provides a stable, beginner-friendly, and ready-to-use system, making it easier for daily work, gaming, and general use without much setup. Overall, EndeavourOS Titan is better if you want a cutting-edge system with maximum control and don't mind troubleshooting. Pop!OS 24.04 LTS is better if you want a stable, smooth, and hassle-free Linux experience that works well straight after installation. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.